Hello, Assalaam Alaikum, peace and blessings. My name is Sabeena Z. Ahmed and I'm a social entrepreneur, Fairtrade campaigner and educator. For the past 15 years, I have passionately raised awareness for fair trade via my social enterprise, the Little Fair Trade Shop Limited, which I established in 2008 while living as an expat in Dubai and the United Arab Emirates. I had the opportunity to present fair trade to schools, universities and women's organisations in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. For the past few years, I decided to vlog about fair trade in Ramadan, showcasing fair trade food such as tea, coffee, chocolate, sugar, bananas and crafts produced by the World Fair Trade Organization certified members. I have been an individual associate member of the World Fair Trade Organization since 2011 and have visited and interviewed many WFTO fair trade producer groups. My love of working with disadvantaged artisans, women and their communities compelled me to produce a series of films about fair trade and ethical producers in Pakistan during a visit in 2011. Two of my films were showcased on the Royal Society of Art's website. Despite my chronic health issues and invisible disabilities, I am determined to continue my journey of fair trade advocacy. For the past 12 years, I have participated in the 6 Items Challenge with Labour Behind the Label and have supported Plastic Free July, Zero Waste Week, World Cancer Day and the World Literacy Foundation. I recently completed my 12th year participating in the 6 Items Challenge, a fashion fast with Labour Behind the Label. As a practicing Muslimah, I would like to encourage more individuals, religious organisations and businesses from the South Asian diaspora to support fair trade. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting fair trade wherever you are around the world. Take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum salam. Peace and blessings.